Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a linear equation with fractions on both sides. The equation is 5x over 6 minus 1/2 equals x over 4 plus 2/3. This one has an x term on both sides and fractions, so we handle both challenges at once by multiplying through by the least common denominator. Our denominators are 6, 2, 4, and 3. The least common denominator of all four is 12. Step 1. Multiply every single term on both sides by 12. 12 times 5x over 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So this becomes 10x. 12 times 1/2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this becomes 6. 12 times x over 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this becomes 3x. 12 times 2/3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this becomes 8. After multiplying through by 12, our equation is now 10x minus 6 equals 3x plus 8. No more fractions. Step 2. Subtract 3x from both sides to collect the x terms on the left. 10x minus 3x is 7x. 3x minus 3x cancels on the right. Now we have 7x minus 6 equals 8. Step 3. Add 6 to both sides to isolate the x term. Negative 6 plus 6 cancels on the left. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now we have 7x equals 14. Step 4. Divide both sides by 7. 7x divided by 7 is x. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So, x equals 2. Step 5. Always check your answer. Substitute x equals 2 back into the original equation. Left side, 5 times 2 over 6. Minus 1/2. 10 over 6 simplifies to 5/3. 5/3 minus 1/2. Common denominator is 6. 10 over 6 minus 3 over 6 equals 7 over 6. Right side, 2 over 4 plus 2/3. 2 over 4 simplifies to 1/2. 1/2 plus 2/3. Common denominator is 6. 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6 equals 7 over 6. 7 over 6 equals 7 over 6. Our answer checks out perfectly. X equals 2. That is your solution. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.